What's up guys, it's time to unfold the exciting news regarding the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. The best Samsung phone has yet to come, and no, it's not the Galaxy Fold or even the Galaxy Note 10. Something hidden, something secret is coming our way. And before we talk about that, let's discuss everything regarding the Galaxy Note 10. Some really exciting stuff which is making this phone a pretty good upgrade compared to the previous generations, and also compared to the S10 family. It's gonna have some pretty special unique features to stand out. So far, we know the screen sizes for the Note 10e and the Note 10 Pro. We also know the battery information as well as the design change that is coming indeed. We have the vertical quad camera setup towards the back. And for the first time, the hole on the Galaxy Note 10 family is expected to be towards the middle, as well as smaller than the Galaxy S10 family. As more leaks are coming out, the Note 10 Pro is definitely looking like a real upgrade. iOS Universe tweeted out saying that there will be a special remote control application coming with the Galaxy Note 10. If you don't know, the Vinci is actually the code name for the Note 10 family. If you guys remember, with the Note 9, we get the new S Pen that has this Bluetooth functionality. We're able to control certain functions, for example, taking selfie by using the button that is on the S Pen. But with the Galaxy Note 10, this functionality will be even more expanded thanks to the new addition of the remote control application. We're definitely gonna hear more about it soon. And since the Note 9 also rocked this Bluetooth powered S Pen, we might see this remote control application coming to the older generation as well. But the crazy news of them all is the camera gains. Apparently, Note 10 Pro is Pro for a special reason. Inspired from Huawei P30 Pro, the Note 10 Pro could have a killer 5x optical zoom in addition to its already wide, ultra wide, and TOF sensor. The 5x optical zoom setup will make things absolutely killer. I've used this firsthand on my Huawei P30 Pro. It really does complete the whole camera game on the phone. The report from Korea is spilling the beans. Samsung Electromechanics aka SEM has developed a 5x periscope zoom camera module and is ready to go into mass production just in time for the Galaxy Note 10 family. It is highly expected that this could end up on the Note 10 Pro model. It's just 5mm thin compared to the regular 6mm thin telephoto lens that we see on the Galaxy S10 family that only does 2x magnification. 5x lossless optical zoom will definitely gonna change the game, and I'm sure you'll be able to zoom all the way up to 10x using the software support. As you can see in these examples, just how close you can get into the subject without actually losing detail. You guys already know what P30 Pro was able to achieve using this killer zoom, so this indeed opens a new way to take photos. You can take clear photos while standing far away from the actual subject using this new 5x zoom. It's further explained in the article that Samsung used a light refraction from a prism inside the module, similar to the Huawei's P30 Pro and the Oppo Reno 10X, and this system is capable of doing a full 5x zoom without any loss of quality, which is absolutely amazing. This is an absolute must thing to do because the iPhone 11 Max that is coming later down the year will have a wide angle lens, but it will definitely not gonna have a 5x or 10x zoom. So Samsung bringing this crazy zoom already to the Note 10 Pro will definitely bring company ahead compared to the Apple's latest flagship from this year. Now the new zoom setup will probably be exclusive to the Galaxy Note 10 Pro, so the smaller Galaxy Note 10 version or the Note 10e might only have just 3 cameras similar to the S10 family or 2 cameras similar to the Galaxy S10e. We're not exactly sure about the details on the smaller model, but the Pro is definitely the one that is going to be the most powerful and most advanced Samsung phone ever made. The Note 10 Pro is definitely looking really exciting, but there's something even more incredible coming our way from Samsung, that is a non-Galaxy S/non-Galaxy Note phone, and out comes the rumored Samsung Galaxy A70s. According to ET News, the Galaxy A70s could rock a 64 megapixel camera. Yes, a single 64 megapixel sensor, making this phone the highest camera resolution phone on the market. The A70s is going to be a mid-range phone, as you have seen with the Galaxy A80 that Samsung likes to experiment with the A lineup. So this is again a crazy experiment, you can say, coming with the Galaxy A70s, and hopefully something like this will move towards the Galaxy S11. Of course, we're not gonna see this on the Note 10 family. This giant Samsung ISOCELL GW1 64 megapixel sensor was successfully made a couple of days ago. It supports real-time HDR along with perfect light optimization, The sensor also uses super phase detection, autofocus technology for faster autofocus, and of course 4K video recording and slow-mo 1080p at 480 frames per second. Combined with the right software optimization, this phone can actually bring the mid-range Samsung camera game to the next level. Again, it's going to be very interesting to see how this 64 megapixel camera will pan out against the Google Pixel 3a, which is currently the best camera for photos on a smartphone. Not just mid-range, not just flagship, it has the same sensor as the Pixel 3, so I'm really excited to see what this sensor can bring to the table compared to that. It's all in the software, you know. Samsung has great innovations when it comes to the camera hardware, but Google takes the cake when it comes to its HDR processing. I mean, they still are the best when it comes to still photos. Of course, Samsung offers the complete package. You get ultra wide angle lens, you get so much on Samsung camera setup, obviously, and I can't wait to see what this 64 megapixel camera sensor will bring to the table. So yeah, that's all we have on the latest Samsung news. The Note 10 Pro is looking stronger and stronger with every leak. Now a killer zoom setup is completely putting things to its place. With Huawei currently dealing with all of its problems, the Note 10 Pro could get a huge benefit from what's currently happening with Huawei. And the Galaxy A70s is definitely a surprise. 64 megapixel sensor. Samsung definitely is not settling down. They want to explore their options and their power as much as they can, and it's just looking really, really exciting. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.